Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. So welcome back to our channel once again, competitive examination special. So far we completed 5 videos, 5 parts. Now the 6th part. So these problems are meant for Polyset TS 2019. So let us go through it now. So competitive examination special. So the first problem, if tan alpha is 1 by 2, tan beta is 1 by 3, then we had to determine the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha is an angle with respect to tan and beta is an angle with respect to tan. So alpha plus beta, sum of the two angles. Next, one more problem, this one. So these questions has been asked in TS, Telangana State 2019 Polyset entrance examination of your after your 10th standard. So now this problem is also important for, here it is for intermediate students. So plays crucial role, important. So let us go through it now. So the first one, solution. So let us write the data now. So tan alpha is 1 by 2, tan beta is 1 by 3, then we have to determine alpha plus beta. So since it is a competitive examination, we are starting directly. So here now, so tan of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 minus, tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So this is a formula for tan of a plus b. Okay. So now replacing all the values here, whatever it is given. So this implies T of alpha plus beta. So what it means, nothing but tan of alpha plus beta here, short form. So this is nothing but here tan alpha 1 by 2, this is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So please viewers, while substituting before and later also you have to do carefully. Now the substitution part completed, check it whether you done correct or wrong. Later you can go through the fast steps. Now here numerator nothing but LCM. So after the LCM we are going to get, here it is nothing but 6, nothing here 3 plus 2 by 1 minus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into 3, 6. Next step, here I can write now 5 by 6 by, here it is again after LCM again 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is a fraction and this is also a fraction. So x by x same value here, nothing but 1. So this implies what I got here, T of alpha plus beta is nothing but 1. So therefore tan of alpha plus beta is nothing but 1. So with respect to here tan, the value of 1 is nothing but I can write it as tan 45 degrees. So since here 45 is an acute angle, so I can write now alpha plus beta nothing but 45 degrees. So if you check out the options here, what are the various options given? ABCD options, 45 degrees, alpha plus beta, and this is a formula here. Next, here it is C option. So this problem also plays crucial role for intermediate students also. Okay, so in this way we can go through it. Just remember the formula and proceed. I hope so you got well. In this way we can overcome the competitive examination special problems. Okay, and here it is nothing but C option. So this problem, angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Then you have to find out the value of this expression. Okay, so just substituting here A is equal to 60 degrees and two terms, in the two terms, and simplify, take out the difference, you are going to get the value. So here you are going to get the value. So once you have the total look of the problem, so please viewers, this problem you treat it as try yourself. Okay, So after trying, please place the answer in the comment box. Okay, so not only just watching, still those who did not subscribe my channel, please do it. Like, share, and go through the problem first one and do this and keep it in the comment box. So this is your Santosh. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you later in the next video session.